So one of the things that I'm definitely noticing, and as the new evolution of SEO, is we're about to hit a new era. In that new era, SEO isn't SEO as we know it anymore, right? It's something completely different. And yes, I think there will still be that technical SEO, but it's evolving and kind of getting gobbled up or highly influenced, and you could almost delegate it to other departments. So where do you see SEO in a big organization moving forward?
So we've already talked about the SEO being the educator for the organization, and that's quite important, but it's really risky, even if your educational program is awesome and flawless in its execution. It's really risky to send these folks out and expect them to do things perfectly, right?
Exactly.
So there's always ongoing site reviews, there's always ongoing analytics reviews just to make sure things are working out. Doing site audits using whatever enterprise tool you're using, whether it's SEO Clarity or Bright Edge or Conductor. Doing those site audits to sort of discover where you've got issues that have popped up recently. And seeing if they're consistently happening in a specific department or in a specific type of content that's going out, then address it directly. So the SEO is not going away as much as the responsibilities are changing. You're the educator, you're sort of the observer, and then you provide just ongoing consulting. If you're in a large organization, that might mean that you have an SEO that is on the sort of the dev consultant. You've got an SEO that is working specifically with your consumer brand folks. I'd like to state that I think that the SEO departments aren't going to go away, because you certainly don't want to have a cloistered set of knowledge. You want that all over the organization, but you certainly want to centralize your knowledge to the point where everybody's approaching SEO in the same way. So having an SEO team that maybe doesn't have collective activities but has sort of a collective knowledge is where it's really important.
Almost like the brand management team, right? So they have brand standards and they communicate what's best for the brand, and they're probably doing some of that research. But then it's up to the rest of the groups to adhere to the brand guidelines set by that brand management.
Absolutely. And if with brand, if you fall out of line, they let you know for sure.
Yes, exactly. And that's probably what the SEO teams will be doing in the future. So
We still would like to do it nicely, though.
Absolutely, really delicately.
Very delicately.
So hopefully you got quite a few tips there, right? So moving forward, how are you actually figuring out, okay, where are we today and where do we need to be in the future? Because SEO is no longer SEO.